Mack.
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Super. We are nearly finishing up your surgery. For doctors who are watching, patient with LASIK complications, ectasia, irregular astigmatism. I'm doing a premium LenzOplastique surgery in this patient. And as usual, without anesthesia, just with drops in your eyes, correct, Mack?
That's right.
Any complaints, any pain, any discomfort as I'm operating?
That's right.
Super. How's the experience here?
Great.
Mack, we're all done. How do you feel?
Great. Good experience. No pain, no pressure. Everything's great.
Super. For doctors who are watching, you saw his complex case of LASIK ectasia with irregular astigmatism. I showed you his LASIK flap. And we've done a lens exchange technique with the toric premium lens to try and correct the irregularities. And no anesthesia, as you can see, there's no sedation, no IV line. Right, Mack?
Yes, sir.
How would you rate your experience here?
10 out of 10.
Congratulations. Absolutely. Come with me. All right, here is the big guy, Beverly. Here he is.
Give him a thumbs up.
Yes. How's the experience, Mack?
Great. Yeah, no problem. Yes, sir.
Beverly, remember I did your laser vision surgery years ago. And this is now where I do my lens-based cataract techniques. For your husband, the complexity was he's had a bad corneal surgery before. Able to fix that. No injections. He's not come out on a stretcher, Beverly.
Yep.
Any pain, any discomfort, man.
No, great.
It's been a pleasure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good.
Boom.
Yes, sir.
Come on, come this way, please. Right here. All right, here he is. Beverly, how's the experience with Mack?
Great. Yes.
Mack, enjoyed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Super. Been a pleasure. Mack, you just finished. How do you feel?
Great. Everything's great. No pain, no displeasure. I feel nice.
And this was your second eye we did.
Yes, sir.
Was your experience consistent?
Yes, sir.
Lovely. How would you describe your experience with this surgery suite, Mack?
Easiest surgery ever.
For you.
Yes.
For doctors watching, this is a patient with previous LASIK. He had elsewhere very deep and ectasia, irregular astigmatism in the cornea, and we have fixed that with an intraocular lens-based LenzOplastique surgery, also getting rid of the early cataract. And all of this, no anesthesia, no Valium, correct?
Right, that's
just
correct.
drops. And been a pleasure.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Congratulations. Absolute pleasure.